today I have a special guest, Bella.
Bella.
I was in the library, you know that. Oh, you weren't in there.
Well, anyways, we are going to be doing the In or Out Slime Challenge. Abby's going to be saying in or out, and we're just going to have fun. Gabby's not here today because she's busy doing who knows what. Comment down below what else you guys want us to do, and let's get on with the video. We're just going to set up the glues and stuff because why not?
Just go fast.
Okay, so
Fast motion. The line. Fast motion. The line.
Alright, so basically Abby will say in or out, and we'll choose an ingredient if we're in. If we're out, we have to skip.
okay, you are in if you guys ate bread today. So you are in if you ate bread today.
I didn't eat.
I did! I ate a chicken salad sandwich. with bread.
What'd you eat, Belle?
Sandwich.
Did you have bread?
You had bread. Let's
Okay.
go. First ingredient, I am using this purple clear upper glue. Pick your ingredient, Belle.
Me too. I like it. It's beautiful.
Good deal.
We have to pull all of it.
No, just a little bit.
We gotta take the top off.
That's good. A little bit more. That's good. It farted.
This is taking so slow. Hey. Okay, that's enough for mine. It wasn't even coming.
Okay.
But thank you, Angelina.
You're welcome. Next in or out, I got it all over my hand.
Great. I got a little bit of my hand.
Good. Next in or out. Excuse you.
You are out if you had chicken salad. I didn't.
You're rude. You're not.
No, just kidding.
Okay, fine, the real one. You are out if you had celery today.
Celery was in the chicken salad. Come on.
You were out if you ate a Cheeto today. One.
I didn't eat a Cheeto.
I said one. If you ate one, if you ate more, you're fine. I ate more. I ate all of them because I love them.
I didn't eat any Cheetos, so we used.
So you can add in
You
another
good shit.
slime ingredient.
You can add in this stuff.
Got it. Oh, there's no glue.
Use pink.
Whatever, you. No. And we should. No, Bella, don't do that. Use the clear glue so it will be the same color.
But if you add pink and purple, it's gonna make a really pretty pairing
Yeah.
or something like that.
Wait. You.
Okay, next in or out.
Too much glue.
You are out if you
Made
are
slime.
wearing pink. Pink.
I've got no trace of pink on me.
What about on your underwears?
Nope.
That does not count, but nobody needs to know that.
I'm wearing pink.
So
My
Angelina
underwears are all
gets to
white.
choose another slime ingredient.
Another slime ingredient.
Foaming hand soap, guys. Comment down below if you know what foaming hand soap does to your slime.
You cannot fluffy slime. You cannot use any more glue if you are wearing glasses.
That's cheap. You gotta do something you guys know we haven't done
Next.
today.
Okay, you are out if you have blue eyes.
I don't have blue eyes, sir.
Does Angelina,
Let me
does
check.
Bella have blue eyes?
No, let me see yours. Yours are. You're lucky. You're almost green. I mean blue. Do we have that? Never mind.
So you guys get to add in the next ingredient. Remember, no more glue is allowed added.
What if you have glasses?
No, you can put your next ingredient in.
You are out if you have purple on.
Okay.
Wait,
Well, plus, I'm gonna buy you guys more.
I don't have purple on, do I? No. How do this won't even scroll it? Angelina, do you have purple on? Why
No, I
won't it
don't.
scroll it?
And
Wait, your
Glasses?
glasses.
what? My glasses don't have.
You don't get to use.
I just thought of that. Like I didn't even.
Yeah, let me check.
They don't. They're black.
We have to check.
Oh, I see purple. Comment down below
I
if you
can't
see
see
purple.
anything.
Yeah, that's purple.
No, it ain't.
She's a liar. Here. It's because she can't see without
I
glasses.
can't see without my glasses. Okay.
You are out if
You are out if
This is not
You're,
turning into slime.
You didn't put
you
acne.
are out if
Yeah.
you had if your mom or dad said you needed braces.
As he said that, as he needed braces.
so
but
you're
I
out if your
didn't.
mom or dad said you needed braces.
I-
Only
Alex
if you did
knows Mom said that. That's what he's cheated.
Mom said I might get braces.
that. Okay, fine. We'll do another one this fair.
This is turning out.
You guys are
Look at
out
this one.
if you ate breakfast today.
I did it.
Yeah, we didn't.
Did you eat Did you eat
No.
this morning?
No.
We didn't eat.
Or did you eat?
Oh, we hit
No.
McDonald's.
Did you?
I did not eat breakfast.
What did you eat? Anything this morning?
No. I mean, yes, but I didn't eat.
What'd you
What
eat
was
this
it?
morning?
Cheetos.
No, like this morning, like in the morning when you're
Who
coming
eats
here.
Cheetos?
Oh, no, I didn't eat anything.
Okay, you get to add.
I
it to
think-
your-
What is activator?
So you get to add an ingredient.
Actually, I'm not doing activator.
Add
What's
shaving
this?
cream.
No, you're not allowed to
No.
add any more glue. Remember
Yeah.
What? If you have glasses, you said that.
No, you're not allowed to add any more glue just because we still have to buy more glue. This mixed up all the way to the same. So I mixed
So
it.
now,
Beautiful slime. What is activator?
Let's go.
Is this
That's
activator?
Hold up. Okay, we're gonna finish our slides because I have to leave. We both have to leave right now, so
Now?
we're just gonna
Is that
hurry up
enough?
and finish our slides.
Yeah.
put a little bit glitter and some.
That's good.
That's
Good.
Well, Bella,
That's way too much.
I think you
Bella.
added way too
Dump
much.
some in hers.
No, don't dump any of mine yet. Don't. Okay, you know what? I should have just let her.
That was way too much.
Oh,
Her slime's not coming. Yeah.
no. Okay, please.
Here, here.
Angelina,
What are you
is
doing?
going
No, that's
to
too
win.
Oh, wait, don't do that.
I need more glue. That's the problem, I think.
What?
I think I need.
Oh, you should have not put that back in the bottle.
What?
It might have chunky stuff.
I
in
need
it.
more glue.
Angelina won.
Please.
Nothing.
Please.
Ange-
Glue.
Bella's slime did not work out.
No, just kidding.
Angelina's
I want
did.
Guess what? Angelina wins, guys. Nothing. Nothing.
She wins the slime. She gets to keep it.
She wins the other person's
Well, at
slime.
least it's looking beautiful. I need more slime. I
More
mean
slime?
glue. Please, can I have more
I think
glue?
I
Well, you
added-
did this question right.
I added too much activator.
What?
too, though, so. Oh, we forgot
Did
baking
people?
soda.
No one answered this. In the olden times, did people think the Earth is flat?
They
or
still-
or right now? Wait, right now, do people think the world is flat and you'll
Yes.
fall off the edge?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
She's correct.
Yes. Okay. What goes on this?
Look at
This.
What color of glue?
This.
Hey, mine ain't working, guys. Whoa.
Wait a minute. Did I win?
I think every
Somebody
time
open this
Every
one.
time you guys make like slime on camera, it doesn't work. But if you don't make slime on camera, it works.
Yeah,
I
I know.
know. You
that's
guys should have used
impressive.
model magic.
Yeah, we should.
That's like the easiest slime ever.
You just said bottle magic or lotion, like.
Woo! That's a mallet.
What the world is going on up in here?
That's so gross. Angelina, if you get this question right, you get to add more glue. Okay. Let me think.
Do not ask like a question about like
Dude.
Earth,
What
space,
happened?
or Earth, because she'll like always forget
Wait,
it.
it's turning out. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at my
Okay,
slime.
you'll never get this question. I'll give you 2 questions. If you don't, how many Pokemon are in the world?
Oh, really, Alex?
Okay, mine. How many Pokemon do I have?
You have over 1,000, over 2,000 now.
How many paintbrushes do I have?
No.
Hey, I never even looked at your
Wait.
thing.
So how many?
I don't
How
even.
much?
Over 2,000.
So you have to get the correct number.
No, let her add some glue.
Fine.
I'm gonna have to have blue.
It's
I
in
don't care what.
the 2000s, but you have to get like in 2000 100 and like 50.
She don't care. She just doing
No,
it.
yours
Like,
is if you get those two numbers correct, like where is it, then you win.
I'm telling you guys, we make way better sound
I'm-
off
okay.
camera.
I
wash
know
my
how many
hands after
Pokemon I
this.
got. I know.
Auntie, stop.
Hurry.
We have it. We
Hurry. Yes.
But
2,525 done.
2,525.